What'd you do that for? My eyes! I was just giving you a little something to keep away the giant swarm of bugs. I don't believe it. I thought I was gonna die. Carol, you're really afraid of bugs, aren't you? Who? Me? Not at all.
Nice to lie. Even old Raven's got his own fears.
What are you afraid of, old man?
I'm afraid of pretty girls.
What?
Yeah. Rita, it's better to come clean. That way we can help you out.
Like anyone needs your help. I can take care of myself just fine.
Her type always has some of the worst fears.
Yeah, whatever.
You're coughing? That sounds realistic. Thanks. I practiced a lot as a kid, so I could skip school.
Let's work together.
I wish I was joking.
It'll be 100 years before you can beat me.
Because you've lived a lot longer, right?
Not a...
I can totally see you doing that as a kid. Oh, yeah. I did anything to get me out of school. Anything that I could do, I did. I watched like YouTube videos on how to get sick fast. I did it all. I watched like tutorials. I read like.
I'm running through the meadow, flowers that speak to me.